Hey guys, welcome back to Nikki's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make some mouth-watering coconut curried fish. My fish is already washed and cleaned, and I did go ahead and prep my veggies off camera. So we have bell peppers, carrots, potato, onion, thyme, pimento, scotch bonnet, garlic, and I love to put butter in my curry, so I have that as well, and some coconut milk. This is just coconut milk powder dissolved in water. Now, first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to apply the seasoning to the fish. So my seasonings are garlic powder. Want to get the seasonings on both sides of the fish. Onion powder. Some fish seasoning. And we're also going to add some curry powder as well. Better pack curry, the best curry. If you don't use better pack, that's fine. Okay, so that's all the seasoning. Now I'm going to combine everything together. Because of the curry powder, I did put on a gloves. So just rub that all in. Okay, so now that the fish is seasoned, you can either leave it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can get straight into the cooking process, which is what I am going to do. Okay, so now we're going to add some oil to our pot that we're going to use to cook the fish, and just allow it to heat up a bit. Okay, so our oil is hot enough now, so I am going to gently place the fish facing away from me so as not to burn myself. You want to ensure that the pot is hot enough so that the fish will not stick to the bottom of the pan. And I'm just going to let those fry on each side for 2 minutes. Okay, so once there's a nice color on both sides, we're going to remove the fish and put it aside. Now I'm going to add some butter to the pot, and once it is melted, I am going to saute the aromatics, so the onions and pimento along with the garlic and the sweet pepper. And then I'm just going to saute everything until they are translucent. I am also going to add the curry powder as well so it can burn. You know, as a real Jamaican, we have to burn our curry or else we won't eat it. I'm just gonna leave these for 2 minutes. So now it is time to add our coconut milk. And I'm also going to add the carrots and Irish potato. I am going to season this with the same season that I use on the fish. So some fish spice, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then I'm going to cover this and let the coconut milk cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so this has been cooking for 15 minutes because I have the potatoes in there. And the fish doesn't take long to cook, so I have to cook out the potatoes first before adding the fish. But now that the coconut is cooked through and the potatoes are fork tender, I am going to add the fish. And then I'm going to just use a spoon and get the coconut sauce over the fish. I'm not going to move the fish around in the pot because I don't want them to break apart. That is why I'm doing this instead. Okay, now I'm going to cover it again and leave it for 5 minutes this time. You have it, guys, coconut curried fish. This meal was absolutely delicious. The sauce was creamy and flavorful. I served it up with some hot buttery white rice, but this goes well with whatever you like, whether you want to do some mashed potatoes, you want to do rice and peas, you want to do ground food, this goes well with anything. Now, if you try this recipe in the comments below, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I post a new recipe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.